13 days before, on 31st March, I was not very well. My sugar levels were very high, and I was suffering from fatty liver and fibrosis of the liver. So before being admitted to here, this Shri Vaidya hospital, I just came to for a consultation with Dr. Shweta, and as per her diagnosis and all the recommendations, I got admitted here. And after this 13 days of treatment, I am feeling much relaxed, much better. And for the past few days, I am not been taking any insulin.
Oh, that's
My
congratulations.
sugar
on that.
levels have come to normal without insulin.
Good to know that, sir.
And regarding my fatty liver and fibrosis, that needs to be checked. But I have lost around 4.5 kgs of weight,
Okay.
which is very much required to treat the fatty liver and fibrosis.
Nice.
And I am feeling much lighter, much better,
Okay.
much energetic.
Okay.
And all the treatments here which they have given to me, like this Snepan and then Virachan,
Okay.
and all the therapies and treatments, nature cure, yoga sessions,
Okay.
meditation, pranayam, lom vilom. So all these activities have made my body feel much better
Nice.
when I came here.
Okay.
And I hope that in coming days I will follow the same routines.
Okay.
And I think this is the very good place. The promoters of this Shri Vaidya hospital have done a very good thing for the mankind and humanity, benefit of the welfare of the humanity, to cure these diseases, because this some kind of this diabetes and liver diseases are not curable in allopathy. They don't have any treatment in that kind of things. So but they have Ayurveda, naturopathy and Panchkarma treatments have a lot of things, and I have felt. And the staff here is very caring. The food was very good.
Okay.
The atmosphere was very good. There is a very bathrooms are very good. Cleanliness is very good. And all the Panchkarma theaters are very clean, very well maintained. And all the therapists, they are from Kerala, which is a Ayurveda place, and they are authentic people. They know how to do the job, and all the therapies were wonderful, and they have given much relief to me. And I will recommend all people, whether they have some chronic problems or they just want to have a rejuvenation or for stress relief and such kind of things, they must definitely come for a treatment and consultation with this Shri Vaidya Panchkarma Hospital. And I am definitely very happy to be here. Now, like this, with having a person very busy schedule in the business and other things, sometimes it is very difficult to go on a very far off place, which is a long distance place. Before coming to this place, I had searched around 5 to 6 places all over India.
Okay.
There was Yogram in Hardwar,
Okay.
and Ayurved in Almora.
Okay.
Then there was one or more center in Hamirpur, Himachal.
Okay.
There is one more Palampur in Himachal.
Okay.
So out of all these places, I selected this place because it was very well maintained, and the doctor, when I got consultation from the doctor, most of the places when I send my reports to them, they were not aware and of the treatment of my disease,
Okay.
liver disease and this kind. They were not aware of the fact that what is the cause of the disease and how it is to be treated.
Okay.
So those places are mostly meant for rejuvenation and weight loss, obesity and those kind of things.
Okay.
But when I consulted Dr. Shweta here, and she knew the proper cause of fatty liver
Okay.
and fibrosis of the liver, and she knew how to treat it, and she took a very special pain.
Okay.
And here Dr. Himani, she is looking after naturopathy, and Mr. Mannu, he is also taking naturopathy sessions. So they have all given tremendous efforts to bring me out of this trauma.
Okay.
And I hope that I will be perfectly fit, and my this liver problem and diabetes problem will be very much reduced and under control. I have not observed anything. Everything is perfectly well maintained.
Okay.
And all the team, all the people are very courteous.
Okay.
And there is, I think there is no suggestion for any improvement. It is very good.
Okay.
But just one improvement which I wanted, which was added by in my treatment also, that being in the heart of the city and on the 3rd floor, so there is not much space for doing the morning walk.
Okay.
So in a garden or some kind of being in a natural with nature.
Okay.
So that is the only point. But if you want to have something in the heart of the city, then you have to compromise on this thing.
Right. So.
Dr. Sonia took lot of pain
Okay.
in understanding my problem, and then guiding me how to get admission. And on daily basis, the staff of this hospital, they on daily basis their team came and took my daily feedback.
Okay.
Regarding different parameters, regarding the treatment, regarding the cleanliness, regarding food, everything they took all feedbacks.
Okay.
And but wherever there was any shortcoming, it was immediately taken care of.
Okay.
And I did not require anything to be reminded them. Really thank Shri Vaidya Naturopathy and Panchkarma Hospital. And I really thankful because my medical reports before admission to this hospital, the main reason for which I was admitted was the higher range of GGT enzymes, which are liver creating problem in liver, and created fibrosis in my liver. And they were on a very higher range before my admission, 212. And now after this treatment, these GGT enzymes have drastically come down to the normal level of 52, and which is just like a miracle which has happened. And in allopathic science, those people will never believe that in 13 days GGT enzymes can come down from 212 to 52, the normal range. And it's really thankful to the Ayurvedic naturopathy Panchkarma treatments, and special thanks to Dr. Shweta, who took special pains and special effort in treating me this problem, and to the all team of the Shri Vaidya Hospital. And I really recommend this hospital for such kind of chronic diseases, and definitely anybody can come here and get wonderful results.